Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a continuation of my support local where I go about purchasing products or seeking out services from local brands and giving you guys my honest feedback and reviews of those said products and services. Today I'll be reviewing a local subscription box by the brand BabeCave. For those of you that don't know BabeCave, they are a local service that provides lash extension services and they also provide education whereby you can sign up through the BabeCave Academy and learn to become a certified lash extension artist. They recently started doing subscription services where you, like any other subscription service, apply or subscribe to a subscription and they give you a monthly box with a lot of different goodies. So I actually wanted to try it out to see what you get in the box and if it's actually worth it. The box I actually purchased was the May box. I know this video is going up a little bit later, but a lot of things have been going on in my life, so it's a little bit late. Please bear with me. But I think it's still a relevant review because you know if you would want to purchase the future boxes from them. So before I jump into the actual box itself, I want to go through the ordering process. So the main way to order or subscribe to the box, the monthly box, is to go onto their Instagram page and you can click the link in their info bar and you can subscribe, you enter your information, you can subscribe to the monthly box that way. And then they also had offered at that point in time, I'm not sure if it's like a recurring thing, where you can actually subscribe through DMing them, which I think was very, very easy because sometimes, you know, the links in your profile doesn't always work and sometimes you have like other questions that are not available through the link. The cost of the box is $200 TT, which I think is actually pretty comparable to other subscription boxes that you may order from the US, etc. Right, so the box actually comes like this. And on the front of it, it's their May 2020 box, and it's called the BabeBox. And the name of this box is the Quarantine Edition, which is pretty cute because we've all been in quarantine. And the box has the BabeCave logo as well as a little mask on the top of the May, which I think is also really cute. The box itself is a really nice box that you can actually reuse. It's like a magnetic closed lid, and the box itself is very sturdy. So it's a really, really nice box that you could like reuse for other purposes. Let me show you guys how the box actually looks. So the box actually looks like that. Not that you could tell really anything from that shot of it. Right off the bat, when you open the box, you get hit with this really strong scent. It kind of smells like a spa type fragrance. So I'm not too sure what in the box is actually giving off that scent or if it's like something that they put in the box with each box, but like when we go through, we'll see. First thing that I noticed is this really colorful mask. And we all know that we're all using masks now. It's part of the new normal. So it's really cute that in their quarantine edition, they give you a mask. The mask itself is very nicely made. There are no like loose strings or anything, and it's a really fun, funky color. The elastic parts are very big, which I appreciate because sometimes some masks have really, really tiny elastics, and I actually have big ears, so the tiny elastic actually hurt my ears more than the regular elastics. So the fact that these elastics are pretty big, I actually really, really like that. And the mask itself is pretty big, so it can fit like a multitude of different size faces. So that's really nice, and the mask kind of smells of whatever is in this box that's giving off that scent. So the next thing that I noticed is that there is some chocolate in here. So it's from the brand Grand Cuba Estate JB Chocolates, and it's a sun-dried Trinidad cocoa chocolate with a hint of sea salt, and it's made in Trinidad, which is really cool. And on the back gives a little bit of what the brand itself stands for. So JB Chocolates and Grand Cuba Estate is a family-owned estate and artisan bean to bar chocolate facility located in the Montserrat Hills of central Trinidad. And this bar is actually made with Trinidad cocoa beans, which are really, really world-renowned. I actually know that some of our cocoa beans are some of the best in the world, which is pretty funny because we have some of the worst chocolates or the worst quality chocolates. considering we have some of the best cocoa beans. So I'm really interested in trying this out. The ingredients in this is just the Trinidad cocoa bean, cocoa butter, cane sugar, sea salt, no preservatives, and no artificial flavoring. So I'm interested in trying this out, and come on, in quarantine we can never do with too many snacks, so that's really nice that you get some chocolates in your quarantine edition. The next thing I'm seeing in here is actually from the BabeCave brand itself. It's these little pins with pearls on it. So I know that it's a trend nowadays where girls like put their hair in side parts and they have like these bobby pins that are very, very like elaborately decorated, or even decorated like the one here is, and you put like multiple different ones. So that's like a new trend that I'm seeing. So I guess this goes with that trend. And these are really cute and they're very, very large. So I appreciate that because my big curly hair kind of takes small bobby pins, and I actually need a large bobby pin to hold my hair back in place. So that is actually pretty cute, and I'm actually interested to see how they look in my actual hair, because I've never actually tried that style out. So yeah, this is really cute, and it's from the BabeCave brand. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a little bag, one of those little bags, the drawstring bags. It's like made out of like crocus material, but it's nicely made, and you can never have too many of these. I use these to put like my jewelry in when I'm traveling, and I think that's really cute because now I have an extra one, and I tend to always need extra ones of these because, like I said, I use them for my jewelry. So this is a cute little addition. The next thing I'm seeing in here is from the brand LCM, which is Live, Chair, Meditate. And this is what's giving off the scent, the very, very, very strong scent. This is an aromatherapy shower steamer. And these are like bath bombs for your shower, where you just place them in the corner of your shower and they give off like a really nice scent. And it's really fun for those who don't have like baths but would like to experience the aromatherapy that bath bombs give off. So this one is the thing that's giving off. So the instructions on this is turn on warm shower and place the steam on the floor where water splashes but do not drench it. And it gives off that aromatherapy. This scent is vanilla essential oil, rose essential oil, lavender essential oil, and some citric acid. So it gives off this kind of like, I don't know any way else to describe it, but it just literally smells like a spa. It kind of smells like when you go to the Hyatt spa. It kind of smells like when you walk into the spa, that scent you get, that smells really, really nice. And I love like anything bath related because I am a sucker for bath bombs, a sucker for bath oils, a sucker for anything bath related. So it's nice that you can actually enjoy aromatherapy in the shower as well. So I'm really, really excited to try this out. And like I said, we're in quarantine, so anything to help us de-stress and help with our mental health, which I do think a bath sometimes does, is really, really helpful. And the last thing is here is also from the brand Live, Chair, Meditate, which is the same brand as the shower steamer. And this is a candle. It's a hand-poured candle, also made in Trinidad. And the name of it is called Me Time. So again, while you're enjoying your shower, you could also enjoy a candle lit shower or candle lit bath. It's your preference. This one also smells really nice. Whatever the scent is, I really like it. So, interestingly, so this is a 4-ounce candle, and interestingly, this candle has 3 different scents in it, meaning that there are like 3 different layers, and each layer has a different scent profile. So the top layer is bergamot. I'm not sure if I'm actually pronouncing that properly, probably not. Mandarin, lemongrass, and lemon. The middle one is ginger, jasmine, and thyme. And the base one is white tea, chrysanthemum, and patchouli powder, which is really cool. I actually never had a candle with multiple different layers of scents. So it's interesting to figure out how this candle will actually burn and how the scents will transition from one into another. But I think that's really cool, and I love candles. I'm a sucker for candles. If you know me, you know I have like 50 million candles. So you can never have too many candles. So I'm actually really excited to have another candle. And like I said, this candle, the top layer smells really, really nice. So I am in love. And I'm actually interested in trying out some other stuff from this Live, Chair, Meditate brand. So I guess that's what a subscription box is supposed to do. And that's the end of the box. The box just has like this shredded paper. It's a cushion, I'm guessing. So what are my final thoughts on this subscription box? Do I think it's actually worth the $200? Yeah, I would say it is. I like the fact that you get an assortment of different locally made and locally produced products, which I think kind of buys into the shop and support local, and it's something that I really, really like. I think it's actually worth the $200 based on the amount of products as well as the size of the products that you actually get in the subscription box. And overall, I'd give this subscription service an 8 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review and it gave you some insights and hopefully help you to make up your mind whether you'd like to purchase their subscription boxes in the future. I know I'd definitely be interested in purchasing further boxes from them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye.